Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Let's get started this morning. 24-hour temperature cast, a very different setup with these numbers. And I think it's going to be a little different today and tomorrow compared to where we go on Sunday and Monday when we reset those temperatures a little tiny bit. Highs today, like the past couple of days, should easily get to the mid-70s, maybe the upper 70s, depending on how quickly the clouds take over. That breeze from the south, though, should bring in some more of that warmer air, and we'll start looking for some showers by this evening and tonight. I do expect temperatures to stay up a little tomorrow before the clearing really takes over. A new wind direction and a little different air mass means slightly cooler stuff as we go through the day tomorrow and into Sunday and Monday, but the afternoons are still going to be pretty mild and still pretty comfortable. I see some clouds to the north and to the west. That's really all so far. There's going to be the chance for some more of that fog this morning. We had so much yesterday. I think we'll have some today, especially if the breezes stay calm. It's 53, not much of a breeze in Tallahassee. It's 54 in Thomasville and in Valdosta. There is a little bit of a breeze from the south, so hopefully that can stir things up so the fog doesn't get out of control this morning. Bainbridge up to 60, Dothan, Alabama 61. So we've got some warm stuff across the board. This time of year, lower and mid 40s, normal morning temperatures, and that's where I think the numbers are going to get back to for Sunday and for Monday. But right now it's mostly mid 50s and up, so we're starting off the day fairly mild. The breeze from the south, big part of that reason, and it's going to continue to bring in that warm, more humid air. So there's going to be a lot of available moisture for when that next boundary arrives tonight to wring some showers out of the clouds. There's a lot of available moisture out there this morning to get some of that fog. In Mariana, our visibility is down below 1 mile, but everybody else is pretty much up over 7 because we do have a breeze to stir things up. Now you can see this line of showers that's through parts of Mississippi into Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. That's where most of the energy is right now, and a lot of that energy is riding more from southwest to northeast, closer to that area of low pressure. That's where the biggest rain chances will be. That's where the better chances for thunderstorms are going to be. Now, as that continues to move north, well away from our area, it's still going to drag that boundary through here. That boundary is still going to find a lot of moisture to work with, and it will still try to trigger a few showers. The instability will be highest where the air is the warmest, and that's going to be near the coast. So, yeah, I can't rule out a couple of rumbles of thunder this evening or tonight, but I don't think we're talking big-time weather around here. Higher pressure scheduled to arrive tomorrow, crest overhead tomorrow night. That clears us right back up, and that's what will cool us off a little bit as we get to Sunday morning. Here's the future cast. We're talking maybe for the second part of the commute home or for supper time tonight. Now we start talking about some showers. Some of those are going to linger into the overnight period. I do not think it's all the time nonstop steady rain. I don't think it's widespread big storms. But I do think we're talking some scattered showers this evening, tonight, and maybe even really early tomorrow morning, some of our eastern areas before the winds twist back to the northwest and we start to bring back some of that cooler and drier air. Now, this next air mass is not one of those really, really cold ones, so we're not taking a huge step back with the temperatures. We're just going to bring them back a little bit more to where they're supposed to be, or even still just a little warmer than normal for this time of year. So we're going to keep this January thaw rolling into February, and I think it rolls all next week. So we've got a lot more of this warm to look forward to. On the Gulf today, winds out of the south and southwest, 12 to 22. Showers, storms, they will try this evening and tonight. On land, most of us this morning, 40s and 50s, increasing clouds, definitely more mild. Sunrise will be 7:29. We'll see some sunshine early today, but the clouds will get thicker during the afternoon. Top temperatures, mid-70s, upper 70s. The rain chances start climbing west first. They'll spread to the east overnight tonight. I think there's a pretty good chance, no matter where you are, to see at least a couple of showers, and that'll help out some of those thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens. Most of us stay in the 50s overnight. And here's that extended forecast. There's that small reset for temperatures. I still think we get up over 70 tomorrow, but Sunday morning we're back in the low 40s, even Monday morning, low to mid 40s. So there's that little cool down. But the afternoons perk right back up, mid 70s Sunday afternoon, Monday afternoon, and I would not be shocked if we see some spots take a run at 80 at points next week. Not bad for the beginning of February.